Well, so quick update. We being my brother and I, good morning, got into a fishing tournament sponsored by Bass Pro Shops. It's a 100% amateur, and so that happens this Saturday, July 17th. So I had to bring a boat back from our campground because you have to have tracker boats only, and now I gotta clean it. So as you know, I put this on. I have my kids helping me. No, not yet. We gotta get all the junk off the boat first. So we gotta clean the boat out, right, Addie? And hold on, come over here. Come over here, I'll put you up here. So we had some fun with it. Yep, hold on the way back from the campground yesterday. Sorry about all the views of my hand. But we have a portable potty on here, as well as a trash can, to which we lost all the lids for. So, got the kids up there, and we're gonna start cleaning. So, plenty of mess. This is what happens whenever you have kids on the boat and everybody wants to play on the beach as well at the lake. You end up with tons of junk all over the boat, and dirt and mud, and I just slung in my eyeball. So we're gonna take everything off the boat. Oh yeah, that blue thing is Pappy's urinal. Whenever he had to pee on the boat, he's with us. Well, we gotta get everything off the floor first so we can spray it off real good. All right, now we're gonna start spraying. No, don't spray over there. We're supposed to spray the boat. All right, go ahead and spray all that dirt out of the corner.
I want to have it.
So here, let me show you guys how to do this. Hold the camera, Addie.
Okay.
Here, point it at me and at the ground. Keep your fingers off the lens. There you go. So watch, let me show you guys how to do this. So we'll open, turn around, show the gate. We're gonna open the gate, and then you spray the junk off. Get all the big stuff, Addie. Water pressure at our house is phenomenal. So what we want to do, Addison, is you want to come over here. Wow. See all the yuckiness?
Am I pointing at the floor?
Yep. This is how you want to spray this off. Okay?
Okay.
We're going to get all the big stuff, and then we're going to scrub the floor, okay?
Okay. That's so cool.
All right, here. Go ahead and spray all this towards the gate, okay? Get all the stuff out of this corner. Yes, you can play with it in a second, Easton. All right, here. Just the floor, okay? Just the floor. Get all the big stuff, and if there's sticks like that, that the thing doesn't move, just pick them up and throw them over, okay? And we'll throw the rest of this over the board. Probably keep that tow rope in the boat just in case. So, when I was docking this thing yesterday, or putting it on the trailer, it's a big fly. When I was docking this yesterday, for some reason it decided it just wasn't gonna start. Like, the key thing right here, like, twisted on me. And I don't know if maybe the wire got a little loose or what, but it definitely didn't start. So I got underneath the helm there and twisted with some stuff, messed with stuff, and then it started, but beyond that, I don't know. So we'll update the progress. Don't spray me. Crazy kids. Yeah, let Easton have a try.
Okay. Wait,
Daddy's gotta go find a bucket and soap. Here, come on, let Easton have a spray. Not the house, the boat. There you go, buddy. Good work. Keep it up. Daddy's gonna go find a bucket. All right, now we Gonna get some soap. And a bucket. We had a yard sale, so that's the craziness that is. Oh, look at that. Ice packs. Use those. So we're gonna go ahead and fill this up with water. Get the dust out. A little bit of child-proofed boat and RV. Little extra never hurt. So now, I'm really trying to get these two kids to work. Let's see what happens. Hey, Addie, Easton, stop. Here's this, take that. And here's this. Now you can start putting water in that. Watch out. Oh. So, all right, here we go. All right, so decided I'm gonna lay all these out. Let them dry. I got damp inside the things. All right, start scrubbing the floors. Actually, just wait for me for a minute, okay? All right, I'm gonna set all these up, let them dry. No, don't spray the truck. Apparently they're washing the floor, but I'm not gonna like it. Why? It's all right. Oh. All right, so stop. Let me see the hose real quick, Easton. So here, Addie, watch. Let's go back to the back. Okay, we'll start with these seats here. Get them a little wet. Go get some more soap on your brush and I'll show you what to do. Yep, here, go up here, buddy. Spray the floor. Sorry. Trying to get it to dry out. All right, here, you take the camera. Follow me. So, what we want to do, Addie, is just start up here and just do this. We could probably squish this down so you can get a good scrub. You want to hit the back pieces too, and all the metal, all the sides, front. You following me?
Is this good?
Nope, you're not even looking at what I'm doing. Just point the camera. There you go. Just like that. And then we can hit these seats. Get the fronts, the sides. Seat 2, look. Follow Daddy. Easton, I said don't spray the truck. Oh yeah? Sure looks like it. Nope. All right, we're gonna need the hose here in a second. Oh, sorry. Okay, Addie. All right, go get the hose from Easton. Come on, buddy, we need the hose for a minute. Well, Easton, we need the hose for a second. Easton, here, dip that back in the bucket. I need this, buddy. Whoa, just sprayed myself and my camera. Hey, hold on, Easton. Addie, get back here. Come on. We don't need that. You got to rinse this soap off that we just put on here. Come on. Addison, give it to your brother. Let him play with it for a minute. Scrub the floor, Easton. All right, Addie, I want you to spray all the soap off of these.
Okay.
Oh, we got to hit the motor too. So here, clean off all the soap. Top to bottom. Somehow I don't have a hose long enough in my house. All right, well, continue washing.
I'll be, him and I are gonna go fishing on Wednesday, day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow. Perfect, good job. Clean everything off this bench.